In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to use a free VPN with a Turkey server and how you can connect to a Turkish IP address quickly and easily. But before we start, let me be completely honest. Free VPNs always come with limits. If you want the fastest speeds, the best privacy, and the most stable Turkey servers, NordVPN is by far the best option. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and follow along with this tutorial. Now, if you specifically want a free VPN that can connect to Turkey, there is an option you can use, and that's Tuxler VPN. Tuxler offers free access to residential IP addresses, and Turkey is included in its free list. With the free version, you can bypass region locks, access Turkish content, and get a basic Turkey IP without paying anything. To download it, go to the official Tuxler VPN website. If you're using Windows or Mac, select your operating system and click Download for free. Wait for the installer to finish downloading. Open it, accept the terms, click Next a few times, and then let the installation complete. Once it's done, click Finish. When the app opens, you'll see the Tuxler interface. To connect, simply click the power button and it will connect automatically. If you want to choose Turkey specifically, open the location list and select Turkey. Sometimes the exact city will change randomly because the free plan doesn't let you pick a specific city. That feature only comes with the premium version. You can disconnect the same way you connected. Just tap the button again and your real IP address will return instantly. Now, even though Tuxler works and gives you a free Turkey server, you should be aware of the downsides. The speeds are slow, the privacy policy isn't the strongest, it only works on Windows and Mac with no proper mobile apps, and the free version limits how many times you can change your location per day. For simple tasks, it's fine, but it's not ideal for streaming, gaming, or long-term use. That's why NordVPN is an amazing alternative. You get ultra-fast Turkey servers, the best privacy, stable connections, and full compatibility across iPhone, Android, Windows, Mac, smart TVs, routers, everything. If you want the smoothest and safest experience, use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.